Today we're cooking a turkey breast. This is Thanksgiving turkey breast. It's an alternative way of doing your Thanksgiving turkey this year, and it's very little effort but a really flavorful turkey. Okay, our turkey has been cooking for about almost 6 hours. I took the foil off after a couple hours, after it had a chance to cook down some. You know, the lid wouldn't fit on it because our crock pot's a little on the small side. But after a couple hours I was able to take that off, and I spooned off quite a bit, about a cup and a half of the juices, which that's a good thing. I'll use that later for a soup base or to season something with. So, but anyway, we're going to take this turkey out and check it out. I got it out of the crock pot and it just started falling off the bone, and so that told me it was definitely done, nice and tender and juicy. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. So let's not forget to give thanks to the Lord during this holiday season of celebration. So give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, because his mercy endureth forever. Psalms 118:1.